So I've prepped this just by wire brushing it and then degreasing it. I know there's a degreaser you can get with this POR 15 in a prep. I just use brake clean and it works. And basically what I'm doing with this is just creating a surface. When I use the seam sealer or the panel bond on my outer inner fender up against here, this just creates a nice surface for that panel bond to stick to, and a rust inhibitor. Nothing will prevent rust. If you've got metal and it's touching other metal and there's water and chemicals involved, rust will find a way. This is going to be good enough for who it's for.